Welcome back, guys. I'm KP.
And I'm Geno J.
The real estate
Gurus.
And today we're back on video number 2 for the Glen Rock project.
All right, guys, we're gonna walk you through this Glen Rock project. We're getting ready to sheetrock the project. So before we sheetrock, we always like to walk the project just in case there's any last minute changes. And we do have some changes. In this video, we're gonna show you some of the changes we're about to make to the property. And then KP is gonna share with you exactly how he's gonna lay out that bathroom. It's gonna be an exciting video, guys. So follow us inside and we're gonna talk about these changes. All right, guys, we're inside of the house. And like I said before, we're getting ready to sheetrock the property. But anytime you're doing these renovations, sometimes you think of other things that you can make the property better. So we've come up with some stuff to change, and we're gonna change it before the sheetrock. The first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna do a fireplace wall. We're gonna make this wall an accent wall. And we're gonna start by doing a nice fireplace. And then we're gonna have an area for the TV. And then we're gonna do a really, really cool design on this wall. By doing that, it just gives this space a lot of definition and it makes it exciting. Guys, this bathroom about to be dope. So y'all make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because you do not want to miss how it's gonna look after we put the tile in. Now back to KP and he's about to show you what he's about to do.
Come on in here, let me show you. Right now it's just a blank canvas. If you had my vision, you will see dual vanity with lighted LED mirrors for 68-inch vanity combo. 2 of them, one here and one here. We're not just gonna tile the floor. We're tiling the entire bathroom, all of the walls. Behind me would just be the toilet. Over here, look how big this shower is, crazy. Skylight, we're gonna put a cutout box here with LED lights all through it and LED around the rim. We're gonna do the same tile that we're using on the floor up in the skylight. So yeah, I mean, I know you can't see it now, but on the next video you will. So stay tuned.